Video, I'll be showing you how you make a data validation drop-down list on Excel. So you can see I've done something like this here on this cell. So I tap on it and you can see the drop down here. You can just scroll to the bottom and you find the courses. Same apply to this as well. I'm going to show you guys how you do this. You see, good, very simple. We are going to apply that on this section, which is religion. I'm going to add Christian, Muslim, traditionalist, Buddhist, and the rest on here. So now let's do this. So to do that, or to add a drop down list, you just tap on the cell you want to add there, and then the tabs here, you move to data tab. Good. On the data tab, you move to data validation, tap on that, and you should see data validation, the first option. Just expand that. Now let me drag this to the top, and now let's make the edit. So we are going to select our preferred choice. Good. So this is going to be a list because we want a list of, religion, what do you call this, religions to appear. So the first should be Christian. So we are just going to enter our list, Christian. A comma to separate it, and then the next should be Muslim. And the next is Buddhist. And if it's, let me add traditional list, comma, you just use comma to separate all of them, something like that. Or you can, let me add others, because I think I don't know all the religions. Good. So I'm done here. So now what I'm going to do is I can add an input message. So you see, anytime I glance or I hover on here, you see something like select your course. Yeah, so let's do something like this. Select your religion, and then error message. If the person doesn't choose what we want the person to see here, we give them an error. So select from drop down list. So these are more edits. Mostly it's not important. What's important more is your list, choosing the list, and then Muslim and the rest. So we have a lot of options. I did the same for the age here. For that one, you use a number, and then you choose maybe a number between 18 to 89, something like that. So okay, and I'm done. You can see select your religion. You tap on here, I'm a Muslim, you are good to go. You tap on here, I'm a Christian, you are good to go. Same apply to the age. If I'm talking about this, let me talk about that too. So you select your tab, you want to insert the age there, and then you see the tab here, data tab, data validation, same procedure. Good. And just like I said, for the age is a whole number, so you can select a whole number or a decimal, something like that. For currencies, I prefer you select decimal, yeah, or whole number, depends on you. You can do same for dates too as well, and you can see I want 18 to 28, so between, you can select it from here. This common English you read and you understand, and then 17, maximum 29, and input message if you want to edit, error if you want to edit as well. So you can see this is the error message. If you input something below or above the numbers here, you get the error message. And now okay, so now let me try editing this here too. Let me try enter 30, and you see the error pops up. So that's it on how you make a data validation drop down list on Excel. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.